I have a Ryobi Hybrid 18-volt Whisper Series fan, and it was making a lot of noise. So I took it apart, and it only had like 10 T10 screws in the back, right here, in the back. It comes right off. 10 screws, T10 screws, and you just need to take those apart, and then it comes right off. And fan, you can this fan, you can just pull it out. It was kind of hard to pull it out, but you just yank it and it comes out. And after that, I did some, like right in the middle right there, I did some good old WD-40 right there. And then the noise is gone, no more. It's good as new. Works perfect now. Okay, so after using the WD-40, the noise came back pretty quickly. So I learned that this is not for the lubricating the motors. So I looked online, and everyone suggested the 3-in-1 lubrication. So I'm going to try this one, and hopefully it'll work better this time. I also took out the back part. It was pretty easy. I just kind of took it off. All you had to do was there's a little hole right there, and just kind of push it on it. There's 3 holes, one on the top there. So if you just push on it, it just kind of falls off. It was pretty easy. So I'm just gonna lubricate here again and in the back, and hopefully this will fix it. Okay, so fixed. No noise. It's all good now.